It's funny how the things we love can slip away. One day you're making, creating, laughing, and the next, life gets busy. And you tell yourself, I'll get back to it soon. But soon turned into weeks, weeks into months, and I missed it. I missed me. So here I am, ready to create again, to get my hands moving, and to make things that make me smile. This isn't just about hobbies, it's about finding joy in the little things and sharing them with you. I'm back, and if you've been waiting for a sign to pick up what you love, this is it.